Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Views and Thoughts. Today, we are exploring the complex realities of choosing to be a stay-at-home mom. These days, we see a lot of glossy posts that paint stay-at-home mom life as one where financial concerns are handled flawlessly by a providing partner. But before you hand in your notice, you need to ask yourself, is it all roses and sunshine? This video is crafted for those of you standing at this crossroad, contemplating this significant life decision, because it's crucial you arm yourself with knowledge and consider all facets of what this choice entails. First off, let's talk about the financial vulnerabilities of being a stay-at-home mom. Life comes at you fast. 1 minute, you are sipping wine, talking about the future, and the next, you are wondering if there's a return policy on life decisions. From divorce to unexpected tragedies like death of a partner or a partner becoming disabled, the security blanket of a stay-at-home mom can get snatched away real quick, leaving one in a difficult position. You need to ask yourself, if life throws you one of these curveballs, where would this leave you? Hopefully, not in the financial equivalent of a Sahara desert. No shade to Sahara, but it's not known for its lush opportunities. According to the School of Hard Knocks and every wise grandma out there, not having your own coin is like putting all your eggs in a basket and then forgetting where you put the basket. And suddenly, you are not just a stay-at-home mom, you are a starting all over mom. Statistics show that women who leave the workforce to become stay-at-home moms face significant financial vulnerabilities. Without a personal income, starting over or even sustaining a comfortable lifestyle can be daunting. Another consideration is the risk of dependency. Leaning on a partner for financial support is like being a backseat driver. It feels safe until you realize you have no control over where you are going. And when the road gets rocky, you are left wishing you had a steering wheel. Dependency on a partner for financial support can create a power imbalance. It's a situation many people find themselves in, not by choice, but by circumstance. The question of living in marriage becomes complicated without financial independence. With declined or obsolete skills, re-entering the workforce becomes a challenge, further making the situation worse. Let's take a closer look at affordability. Now, I'm all for living your best life, but I'm asking, can you afford it? And I don't mean just making ends meet. Can you afford to be a stay-at-home mom without playing financial Jenga? Choosing to be a stay-at-home mom isn't solely about the present. It's a long-term financial strategy that requires careful consideration. Is there a retirement plan with my name on it? Can we handle the lost income without turning our budget into a tightrope? What's our plan for emergencies? And no, finding change in the couch doesn't count. Is there room for me to grow, learn, and not lose my professional edge? These are the questions you need to ask yourself. Let's talk decisions. The decision to be a stay-at-home mom should be a mutual agreement between partners. If your partner is out there working like they're trying to pay off a ransom, you quitting your job just might be the straw that breaks the camel's back. And by camel, I mean your partner's sanity. Nothing says we need to talk, like quitting your job without a game plan. Resentment can build up faster than clutter on a dining table, turning your house into a silent battleground over unmet expectations and dreams. I have seen partners who, because they feel their significant other isn't actively listening and acknowledging their point of view or stance on this very topic, develop anger issues and resentment towards the other. I have seen partners start hitting the walls of their home office with stress balls, creating dents because of this topic where the other is refusing to budge. I have seen partners who, during or after divorce, when asked what triggered everything, cited their partner becoming a stay-at-home mom as a reason, explaining that when they first met, part of the attraction was the drive and ambition of the other person, and the decision to become a stay-at-home mom was not a joint decision. Next is the reality of opportunity cost. For the love of all things good, if you are deciding to take this path because daycare costs more than a small yacht, remember that's temporary. But climbing back into your career, that's like trying to get into your high school jeans. Possible, but it's going to require some work. Every year you are out of the workforce, you are missing out on salary hikes, promotions, professional development, and let's not forget, adult conversations that do not involve cartoon characters. The average salary increase in a typical organization can outweigh daycare costs over time, which enhances your financial stability in the long run. Now, after understanding the stark reality of opportunity cost and how stepping out of the workforce can impact your financial trajectory, let's seamlessly transition into a realm that offers a silver lining: the value of professional development. If you decide to take a break to be a stay at home mom, please invest in yourself, because it's this investment in yourself during this hiatus that can set the stage for a grand comeback. Don't view this period as a timeout from your career. See it as an invaluable opportunity to enhance your skill set, ignite your entrepreneurial spirit, and dive deep into that passion project that's been on the back burner. Remember, the world is brimming with resources to help you grow, many of which are free. Because when the time comes to jump back into the workforce, you want to do it like Beyonce at the Super Bowl, not like me at Zumba class. Trust me, nobody wants to see that. Maximize this time for professional development so it can propel you forward, making your re-entry into the workforce not just a return, but a remarkable entrance. Being a stay-at-home mom is a beautiful, rewarding journey. However, it's crucial you approach this choice with a clear understanding of its long-term implications. To make this choice from a place of empowerment, not escape. It's about making informed decisions for you and your family's future, ensuring that you are not just surviving, but thriving in terms of your personal growth and financial independence. Choosing to be a stay at home mom is a personal and profound decision filled with its own rewards and challenges. The decision to be a stay at home mom should be both a heart and head decision, made with foresight and careful planning. So make choices that leave doors open for you, not just windows you have to squint through. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video insightful, please like, share, and subscribe for more empowering content. Here's to making informed decisions that align with our well-being and future security.